Alright, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Okay. This is very simple. We are given this. Now, what do you do? Now, look at this. You bring this is log 10 raised power log x base 2 plus. Now, according to the law of logarithm, these two can come to the back. So I'm going to have 10 raised power 2 log x base 2, okay, is equal to this 3 can come to the back. I'm going to have 10 raised power 3 log x base 2. Okay, now they have something in common, so I'm going to say let us say let log x base 2 be equal to y. Okay, so anyway I see log x base 2, I'm going to put y. So this is now 10 raised power y plus 10 raised power 2y is equal to 10 raised power 3y. Okay, now if you look at this very well, let me say let 10 raised power y be equal to m. So anyway I see 10 raised power y, I'll put m. Okay, so this is now m plus, okay, before that I hope you know that this one can be written as, hope you know that this thing can be written as, this is 10 raised power y plus 10 raised power y all squared, okay, is equal to 10 raised power y all cubed. Okay, so now we can say let 10 raised power y be equal to m. So I'm having m plus m squared is equal to what? M cubed. Okay, now having this, let me bring this to this people to this side. I'm going to have that m cubed plus m squared, sorry, minus m squared minus m, okay, is equal to 0. Now if I factorize the m they have in common, I'm having that m into m squared minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so having this, you're going to see that m is equal to 0, or m squared minus m minus 1 is equal to 0, because when the product of two things is equal to 0, automatically one of them must be 0. So I'm having this. So this is now m is equal to 0, or now let's say that m is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, okay, all over 2a. So this is equal to minus into minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 all squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 1, okay, everything over 2 into 1. So I'm having 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over what? 2. Alright, now this is our m. From getting m now, we can get our y. Okay, so let us get our y. To get our y, we have that to get our y, we're going to have that, don't forget where we see, we should recall that we have that 10 raised power y is equal to m. So 10 raised power y is equal to, the first one we got was 0, but this solution, there is no solution here, because there is nothing in this slide you're going to raise power of something to give you 0. Okay, so this is not part of the solution, so this one is out. So let us check these two. So I have that 10 raised power y is equal to, the first one is 1 plus root 5 over 2. Okay, so if I introduce the logarithm of both sides, I'm going to have that log 10 raised power y, okay, log 10 raised power y, log 10 raised power y is equal to what? Log 1 plus root 5, okay, over 2. Now don't forget that we have that log, okay, so now this can come to the back, so we're going to have log 10. Okay, so let us get that. Permit me to clean here. Alright, log x base 2 is 1. Okay, so now let us make y subjects. This can go to the back to have that my y log 10 is equal to what? Log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2. Okay, because of law of logarithm. So therefore my y is now log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2 divided by what? Log 10. Okay, so now what, this is my y, but I'm not looking for y, obviously. I'm looking for x. But don't forget I told them, but don't forget there's a place to say that log x base 2 is equal to y. So let us now put it here. We now have that log x base 2 is equal to log 1 plus root 5, 1 plus root 5, 1 plus root 5 over, okay, let me put everything together here. 1 plus root 5 over 2, okay. Because of this, it's going to be base 10, okay. Because of this 10, it's going to be base 10. Or we can say that log 10 base 10 is 1. So anyone you like. And don't forget that log 10 base 10 is the same thing as 1. Okay. So this is what is going to be. So to get our x, this will not be the power of this. So x is simply 2 raised to power log 1 plus root 5, okay, over 2, then base 10. So that is the answer to that. So please, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video.